the product that might have and commercial value. Did you know that you have, before selling it, you have to check it on copyrights, trademarks, or patents? If they don't have them, you have to protect legally your intellectual property, so no.
So basically, copyright is the legal rights of intellectual properties like books, songs, and basically any like paintings. Some of the you're basically surrounded by copyrights every single day and like every minute. All the art pieces that you see in the museums and the books that you see in the libraries are all copyrighted, like Harry Potter books.
Trademarks are basically words, symbols, or a string of words that legally represent and show what a company or a brand is. A great example of this would be the Apple logo, and an example of something like a string of words would be a slogan, like the Nike Just Do It.
Okay, so patents are something that inventors use to have rights to the thing that they've created. You can file a patent for anywhere from $5,000 to up to $30,000. Things that are complex creations made by like very complex engineering material is going to be more expensive than something that's simple, like a mousetrap car. And you want to improve the rod on a mousetrap car, something simple like that was only $5,000 to $10,000. You need an attorney to help you file this patent, and it's valid for up to 20 years after it's filed. 55% of patents filed are actually successfully registered, and there's this thing under the protection rights of inventors that means that if you file a patent, you have to make it public 18 months after it's released, whether or not it is registered or not as a legitimate patent. And that's because some people have argued that, well, oh, I made this creation, but I didn't file for a patent because I thought others might have similar ideas, in which these similar ideas that are filed after somebody makes a successful patent, then they have to pay rights to the person who already filed this patent, which is why an attorney is required for this transaction. An example of a patent is the mousetrap car, so anyone who adds to it needs to credit the original person made.
To what extent do you think stealing intellectual property can be punishable? What kind of products can be protected by copyright?